నాంపల్లి ఫోరెన్సిక్ ల్యాబ్ లో అగ్ని ప్రమాదంపై కొందరు తప్పుడు ప్రచారం చేస్తున్నారన్నారు శిఖా గోయల్. సోషల్ మీడియాలో జరుగుతున్న ప్రచారాన్ని నమ్మొద్దన్నారు. నోటుకు ఓటు కేసు ఆధారాలన్నీ ఆల్రెడీ కోర్టుకు సబ్మిట్ చేశామన్నారు. కాబట్టి విచారణ యథావిధిగా నడుస్తుందన్నారు. అగ్ని ప్రమాద ఘటనపై విచారణ చేస్తున్నామని చెప్పారు. నిన్న ఉదయం 10 గంటలకు అగ్ని ప్రమాదం జరగ్గా 1 గంట వరకు అదుపులోకి వచ్చాయి మంటలు.
As you are all aware that a fire incident occurred at the forensic lab yesterday at around 10:08 hours. Now this fire was first noticed by Sai Krishna, one of our employees, who saw smoke coming out from the computer forensic lab. He immediately informed the inspector. The smoke detector also gave us an alarm. The fire services was immediately informed and the fire engines came within minutes to the FSL. The fire and the smoke was finally controlled by 1:30 p.m. yesterday. This fire has resulted in some damage to the facilities available on the first floor of the FSL building. These include the computer forensic lab and its other facilities, the training room which we call the HRD, the library and certain other facilities. No loss of life or injury occurred in this incident. While the police investigating the case were examining the scene of offence, in the presence of local panchas, a large part of the case property has been retrieved and has been placed under proper security. This process is presently going on in FSL. As I said, unverified claims have been made since yesterday in certain sections of the media, including the social media, about the cause of this fire and the loss caused to the case properties. It is reiterated that most of the case properties have already been retrieved. The extent of the damage is being assessed and will be put up in public domain soon. I would specifically like to mention about 2 cases regarding which unsubstantiated and unverified claims are being made since yesterday. The first refers to crime number 11 of the Anti-Corruption Bureau of the year 2015. In this particular case, 16 material objects were received in the FSL on 2 different occasions in the year 2015, and the reports were submitted to the Honorable ACB Court in the year 2015 itself. All the material objects, all 16 items in this case, have already been returned back to the Honorable Court, and no material pertaining to this case was available in FSL yesterday.